What it do? Alright, we on NAS 100 right now, and we looking at US 30. So this video gonna be dedicated my road to $1 million. So we gonna see if I can run up $1 million just trading. First, I'm gonna try to do it with prop firm accounts, and then I'm gonna after we get some withdrawals, we're gonna try to get some Apex accounts. Right now I'm doing Top Step X, but next we're gonna try to get 20 Apex account, and we're gonna try to run it up to $1 million. And this is my journey, man. Like, I wanna show you guys my journey and how I trade, and I wanna see if I can actually do it. Like, I believe I can do it, but I wanna see if I can actually do it, and I want you guys to be a part of that. Like, I want you guys to be a part of my whole entire journey. I'm gonna document everything, and I want you to know that you can do this, man. You can do this. You can trade for a living. You can be disciplined when you're trading, and just be dedicated, stay down, and continue to progress. So, with that being said, I'm just show you guys what I'm looking at right now. Right now, we is currently bouncing off of this fair value gap, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I know we got Jotes opening. We got Jotes job opening today. So I will be waiting after news to trade, because I don't want news to affect my trade in no type of way. So we gonna wait till Jotes come out. But to be honest, I am kind of bearish right now. But yesterday I was looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, and I seen that we had a gap also right here, and we haven't broke it. So I'm not sure where we want to go at the moment. Like, my bias is bearish, but this not broken. This can easily just go up. Just the simple fact off this fair value gap here. But to be honest, yeah, I'm bearish, and I think we're gonna actually sweep this liquidity that's down here. But yeah, I'm gonna wait until Joe's openings come out to actually take a trade. I was also looking at gold right here. I know we bouncing off this trend line right here, but in some way, shape, or form, I thought we could probably break it and then continue down, but it looked like we're just pushing up at the moment. So I just think it's making a pullback just to continue down. Also, AD CAD, the same thing here. This one actually kind of playing out. That's if I trade Forex today. I usually don't like trading Forex. I like indices more. I'm like US 30, NAS, SPX. But if we find something on the Forex pair, it's actually look pretty good. Cause look, we broke this trend line here, and then we came back and touched it. I got two different styles. I know you're like, oh, why does charts look like this? On Forex, I trade different than when I trade on any type of indices. With indices, I trade ICT, but with Forex, I just trade the traditional way. Because for some reason, I don't find too many setups with ICT, or I just don't see it. To be honest, I just don't see it. Probably do work, but in my eyes, I don't really see it. So I do it the traditional way when I trade these type of pairs, these Forex pairs, if anything, and also with gold. Because, like, usually I wait for like a sweep and then the fair value gap. Sometimes, most of the time, I do not see it, and I don't trade no other type of style when I trade ICT. When I trade ICT, I just simply look for the sweep of liquidity, look for the fair value gap, and then I'm in a trade. But with gold, I don't see that too often, and I don't trade order blocks or nothing like that. So that's why I got like two different styles. And I know y'all probably think, oh, that's too many strategies. No, it's not too many strategies, because I understand what's going on, and I don't overtrade no more. Starting last week, I don't overtrade because I've been like taking a lot of losses with me doing so. It's not more so overtrading, it's more so when I take a loss, I want to get that loss right back, and I've been feeling that doing that. It was kind of working in the past, but it's not sustainable, and I'm not about to keep doing that and blowing accounts. So let me go to see what's going on. Right here we also, this 30-minute fair value gap on NAS. It's kind of reacting but I like to wait until either, well, today we got news, but I usually wait until market open to take any type of trades, but I'm gonna have to wait after news today. So we can wait after news and then see if we can find a setup. Yesterday I didn't find no setup. Yesterday was kind of choppy, kind of bullshit, so I stayed out the market just to protect my capital. But it's bouncing off of here pretty clean. Then we also made a fair value gap and we going to the upside. Most likely targeting that buy side liquidity, that daily buy side liquidity. And we've been making new highs on NAS, so I think it's gonna continue to do so until until we switch. I think it's gonna continue to do so until we break some type of structure. Right now we haven't broken no structure. We haven't broken this 30-minute fair value gap, so I don't think we're going to sell off. But like I said, it's before the market. I don't really get a clear bias until after the market. So let's just see what happens right here. Got 5 minutes to market open. Get my charts ready on my other monitor. I will be trading 5 accounts today. 4 will be combines and 1 will be a funded account. I think I've been doing pretty good. Let me show you guys that really fast. Top 1 login. So I've been doing pretty good with this account. I took a loss. This was last week. I took a loss and then I took 2 wins after the loss. So I've been doing all right with this account. And then on Top Step X, that one also, it's the same trades. Let's go Top Step X. So it's like the same trades. I made a little more, but yeah, exact same setup, exact same trades. So I just want to see what we can do today. Like I said, yesterday was like BS. I'm telling you, it was BS with all the indices, with ES, with NAS, with US30. Everything looked like ass. I'm not even capping. Everything was just ass. Today, hopefully we get a setup today. Right now, it look like we want to go bearish, but I'm gonna wait after news to trade. To be honest, I really believe I could be a millionaire with doing this. Like, I believe in my whole heart that I could be a millionaire doing this, and I'm gonna just continue just to show my journey. Every time I trade, I will be posting it. If I trade and I lose, I'm posting it. If I trade and I win, I'm posting it. I was about to post a no trade day, but I'm like, it's kind of pointless because all you're gonna do is just see me blabbing about nothing. So I just want to show y'all like every trade I make and show y'all the progress and the grind, because trading is hard. I could tell you that, like, trading is really hard. You gotta be mentally prepared for trading. You gotta change your whole identity just to trade, for real. I know a lot of people make it look easy online. This is not easy. Trust me, you gotta know when to get in, you gotta know when to get out. You gotta know when to hold your trades. You gotta know when it's just enough. It's all these things you have to learn. You gotta be good at losing. That's the most important thing. Be good at losing, because you was not about to win every trade, and I want you to know you have to be good at losing. If you're not good at losing, you will get ate up in this game really quick. And it's not a joke. Trust me, I learned from experience. This shit is not a joke. So be comfortable with losing, man. That's probably like the best advice I can give you. Be comfortable with losing. But yeah, market about to open. Let's see how we react on the 1 minute. See if we get some sweeps or something. Right now we have sweep liquidity here. But like I said, I believe we can either go here or go down here. So let's see. Hopefully it don't happen before news. Maybe pushing up. Now it's pushing up crazy. Go to NQ really quick. NQ is pushing up crazy. Look at that. We ran into that gap and then just pushed up. And go back to US30. I believe we're gonna sweep this liquidity right here. Oh, that's nice actually. Wish we had. I probably would have took that if we had no news. Probably could have ran at this TP right here. That would have been nice. And it probably been a quick little scalp too. That would have actually been a nice little trade. But I have to wait till after news. I got cooked so many times because of that. Like, no bull. I got cooked so many times because I waited. I mean, because I took the trade before news. And I got cooked. So, but this would have been nice. 3-to-1 risk reward. That would have been nice. Gotta wait till Joe's open. And actually, Nas the only one that's really looking good right now. So to be honest, if I was like in this trade, I would have put my shit like right here. My stop loss to right here. So I want to lost all that profit, but look at that, boom, that would have hit. That's sad. That would have been nice. I just gotta have to wait. Oh man, still gotta wait. That would have been fire, man. That looks so nice. Come on, 9 o'clock. That's the only news for today. See, I could have took that trade, but look, I'd have been breaking rules. Once you break your rules, bad things happen. It would have played out, but next time it probably won't play out. So let's just see, man. News taking all day. Let's see what AUDK doing. I don't know. I just feel like this gonna continue to push down. On the 5 minute, we got like a double tap, but I'm kind of liking gold. Let me see something. Oh, what the hell? Fuck just happened? It's weird. 30. Yeah, man. I just gotta wait. Well, I had to be news. I do not like when it's news at 9 o'clock because I don't like waiting on setups that long anyway. Most of the time, my trades be like around 8:45. Sometimes 9. Like sometimes. I don't like waiting till 9 to take trades. Then on Wednesday, I'm gonna have to wait all the way until after FOMC because before FOMC, it usually be some BS. It usually be like choppy price action, and then we got non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change. So I gotta wait until after all this news, then I could trade in the afternoon session. That's usually, and then it'd be clean on the afternoon session on those days too. It'll be choppy in the morning, but then after that, it'll just be clean. So, gotta wait, man. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I would take this on gold, but I don't know because I don't got that much experience with trading gold. But I don't know if news actually affect gold or not, because this would have been fire too. Another fire trade. Yeah, I got no doubt in my mind. I actually think we're gonna go down here too. Might go down here also. So I think Nas still pushing up crazy. Oh, we fell back down. That'd have been a good scalp though. I'm not even gonna lie. That'd have been a great scalp. But I don't know. I think we still gonna get another opportunity to possibly get into Nas if it presents itself. About 12 more minutes. So after news come out, then I'll be looking for some trades. We just swept minor sell side liquidity. Look at that. That it did that. That is inversing. Oh yeah, this look great. Inversing this 3-minute bullish for value gap. I think we're gonna also go down on Nas too. And to be honest, we can get some sweeps, and then this can be a good target. This 15-minute bullish for value gap here. That can actually be a good target. I just have to see how news react and what news is gonna do. Okay, we got 8 minutes until news come out. 8 minutes. This fair value gap looks beautiful. 4 more minutes. Come on, news. Oh man. To be honest, I see US 30. I think it's trying to wait to go into this fair value gap until news, or it might not go to it at all and just go down and then sweep here. So tired, man. That's like 3 minutes before news. It's kind of unfortunate, man. I gotta wait 2 minutes. I gotta wait 1 more minute till news come out. Here comes news. We go to Nas really quick. Nas, I might be taking sales. Do we go into that gap? I didn't quite go into that gap really. US 30 pushing up though. On my front account, I can't even trade news. So I gotta wait 5 minutes after. So I gotta wait after 5 minutes to actually execute a trade. Kinda sucks, but I think it did hit it a little bit. It wasn't too much, but it tapped it a little bit. Alright though. Now I'm liking sales on US 30. Just gotta see one more. Cause it is kinda holding this fair value gap here. Okay, we actually pushing up. Might be taking sales. Alright, took some sales based on this momentum candle here. I'ma show you guys. Wait.
Order rejected.
Oh shit.
Order filled.
Let's now we losing a couple bucks. My TP is gonna be right here. I think that's a good TP actually.
Order rejected.
I was about to do 15 contracts on YM. Not many YM. That would have been tragic. That would let me execute that. I think I got the same TP. Got it at 420. Pretty much like that. Yeah, it's a pretty good TP. And I do think we can get there based on the 15-minute. A little drawdown right now. But I think we can most definitely get there. So now it's just the waiting game, guys. This will be my only trade, so if this don't play out, it's going straight on YouTube. And remind you guys that we do have a gap right here, so hopefully it just react good off this gap right here. Look like it is, but let's see, man. You never know. About a 1 or 2 risk reward. Let's go back to the chart. See what's happening. Got it right there. Too good. Yep, I got stopped out on one of my accounts. I'm gonna just exit all. Just close all of it. I think this one not gonna go.
Order filled.
That's a loss for the day. Oh. Yep, that's an L. Alright, unfortunate, but like I said, gotta take it on the chin. Yep. Trying to see what I did wrong here. About to note this in my journal. I lost 273 on one account, and on this account I lost 125. Okay, yeah, that'll be it for the day, man. Took some L's, and that'll be it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, road to 1 million. Took the loss the first day, but tomorrow will be better, and we'll most likely get that back plus more. Yeah, this one they already stopped me out right here. So just because I stopped out of here, that's the only reason why I stopped out here. Because I'm like, okay, if I stopped out there, I'm most likely going to stop out here too. So, and they'll be like, oh, you closed the trade too early. Nah, I think it was over for that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man. Comment, subscribe, like, all that. Peace.